Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. I make videos for you guys how you can make money online from home, how you can earn money doing freelancing job or blogging or YouTubing, and don't forget to check out my latest videos where I can show step-by-step tutorials. It's completely legit money doing freelancing job from Upwork. It's a simple job, data entry, copy paste, and you will get bunch of videos, and I am definitely sure that if you watch these videos and practice, you can make money. So no more delay, so let's get started. So this is my Upwork account, and if you want to make money online, the easiest way to start your freelancing journey, and zero investment. Just invest your time and your skills, obviously digital skills. And what kind of skills do you need? Do you need high-tech skills? No, you don't need any high-tech skill. You just need a laptop and computer, and if you know how to do copy paste or Google search, Google research, it would be perfect for you, because there are lots of jobs you will find in Upwork, Fiverr, where people are looking for a freelancer, virtual assistant who can help them. Yes, my friend. So you will need a Upwork account, and then you will set up your profile. And then when you will see this kind of jobs, you have to apply these jobs. Candidates buyer will hire you, and you're gonna pay $50. So it's a small amount, right? So don't worry about it. It's a just simple project, very simple project. So that's why the budget is low. But day after day, you will get lots of project like this. And when you will see the good buyer, and maybe he hired again and again, and you will hired by hourly rates, and it gonna help you a lot. Okay, let's dive into the video. So this is a job, and the buyer posted 4 hours ago. Here you can see general research services. So it's simple, very simple. Just watch step-by-step tutorials. You will see how easy is it. Okay. So buyer from Australia, and he has 4.9 reviews and total 32 reviews. Definitely good buyer. And the hourly rate is that $20, 20.64 per hour. That's a huge number of hourly rates. Okay, so how you can do this job and how we can complete this job. This is an on-time job, and here you can see the proposal. So 20 person, okay, 20 person already sent the job proposal, and among them one hired. Okay, here you can see hired one. Okay, so there is a chance. Okay, so if you know how to make money using Fiverr or Upwork, doing simple copy paste data entry job, so maybe you can change your life. Okay, so first of all, you have to understand the job requirements. Okay, so this is the buyer text, and you have to read out the whole things, and you have to analyze this, and you have to research and understand. If you are thinking that you are capable to do this job, please go ahead. And if you don't think that you are not suitable, you don't know how to do this job, please don't apply. Okay, because it will waste your time, also waste your connects. So if you don't know, don't worry, I will show the step. So let's read out. I am looking for someone to prepare a spreadsheet of a list of contacts for me, for as many as possible contact in the following roles. Okay, number 1, HR manager, head of people, and this is the source link where you have to find the person, and need at least 300 contacts. Okay, and the spreadsheet needs have to first name, last name, company, email, LinkedIn profile. So in this job, you will find some company person and also the company, and you will find, and you will have to find this kind of information. Okay, where? Okay, I will show you the way. So let's open this link. This kind of sources will always given by buyer, because buyer knows better where you can find the best result. That's why buyer will help you always. So don't worry about it. So this is the requirements we will have to find. Okay, so this is the link. List of trade unions in Australia, Australian Meat Industry Employees Union. So here you can see the lots of companies over there, and also we have to found a company HR manager or head of people. Okay, that's the main criteria. So let's open this Australian Meat Industry Employees Union. So here you can see their main website. Okay, so let's open it. So before check the website, we have to create a Google spreadsheet. Okay, because we have to provide this kind of information. So let's open a Google spreadsheet first. So you have to create a spreadsheet and always give a name, General Research Services. This is our project name, okay? And we have to find the first name, last name, okay? So first of all, copy the first name and create a column like the first name column, and B should be last name, and the third one would be our company name, then email address, okay? So you have to always prepare a Google spreadsheet because we have to input all the information here, and finally we'll send it to our buyer as our project is done, okay? So you can customize this like a little bit color, and you can okay, let's board. Okay, so our spreadsheet is ready. So let's find their HR manager and the head of people, okay? So here is the federal officers, but we couldn't find their any LinkedIn or any kind of HR manager or head of people. So let's find another company, okay? Okay, so let's try Australian International Pilot Association. Okay, so here you can see their main website. So let's open with new tab. Okay, so let's find their LinkedIn address. Okay, so here you can see their LinkedIn, official LinkedIn page. So let's open it and we'll check their people section, like we have to find the HR and head of the people. Okay, so let's check their people section, click on people, and we have to find the HR manager. Okay, so let's check their HR manager, vice president. Here you can see the 11 employees over there, but you have to check manually. But that is a techniques where you can apply. It's very easy. So here you can see them, where they live, where they studied, and if you go right section, you can see what they do, and scroll down, and here you can see the human resource. Okay, so let's click on the human resource, and if there is any human resource person, so you will see his profile. So here you can see this is the human resource person, that's been the HR manager. So let's open the profile section. Okay, so our next step is we have to find his email address. Obviously it should be valid email address. So for valid email address we can use multiple free tools, that's been email finding tools. Here you can see the get prospect, and okay, here you can see the email address, but this is really invisible, so we have to click save and show email address, and the email is validating. Already we have got a email address, and this is the email address. Here you can see the email address. So let's copy the email address and go back to our working sheet and paste it here, and we have to input the other information as well, like the LinkedIn profile, obviously the person's LinkedIn profile, paste it here, and we have to grab the person first name and last name. Okay, Christian A. So this should be Christian should be a first name and A should be the last name. And what about company name? Company name is Australian International Pilot Association, and this should be their company name. Okay, company name. Okay, so our one lead is done. So we have to find 300 leads like this way. We have to research the web and we have to research on LinkedIn. And when we can get the person, and we have to find the email address, it should be a valid email address, and we can use this kind of tools, and then just copy and paste. You have to fulfill the requirements, and you have to copy and paste the others information, and you can put it here. So this is how you can complete the 300 leads, that's been the 300 contacts, and this is how you can complete your job. And when you have done this job, just go to file section and download it as a Microsoft Excel format, PDF format, or CSV format. It depends on your buyer. So if the buyer wants the CSV file, just download the CSV format and give it to your buyer. So I think if you do practice this kind of project, so you can do it very easily. It's very easy. There is no complicated job. There is no programming job. So it's a copy and paste and research job. So this is how you can make money doing a very simple research job, and you can get $50 or more. So it's a very easy job. So you can do it very easily wherever you are. If you are a student or if you are a job holder, so you can take it as a part-time job. Okay, so if you have any queries, please comment below, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will come back with another video. And if you have any requested video, please comment below. I will make a video on that topic. So stay tuned. Have a good day. Tata, bye bye.